Hi dearest, how are you all doing? So remember my client who I said called to order for a purple turban? Yeah, some of you have asked for how I made it, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did that. But before we get into that, I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment and share this video. Here are the items you're going to be making use of. You're going to be making use of the stone trimmings. Then you will need your scissors, your measurement tape, your marker or biro or tailor's chalk. Then you'll be needing this material. This is raw silk that I've cut into 10 inches by 5 inches, and I have two pieces of it, and I'm going to be using it for the hand of the turban. Now I'm making use of this because the raw silk is not stretchy, so I'm going to be leaving a gap at the back so that you can tie it to fit properly. Next thing you want to do is fold it like so and sew it, and after you sew it you're going to turn it the other way around. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is cutting two pieces of the raw silk, and this is for the main part of the turban, and it is 26 inches by 12.5 inches. The next we're going to be doing is to cut out the part where we're going to be putting the foam. That's that high part, and the measurement is 11 inches by 28 inches. Cutting out the part for the band. Now this is 10 inches by 26 inches. Okay. Then you'll be needing your B6000 because we're going to be using the stones. Then your needle and thread. And now this is our foam, and the foam you're cutting it out in 0.5 inches by 28 inches. So here I've already done my pleating with the material that I cut out for the band. Now remember, it is 26 inches by 10 inches. And if you want to know how to pleat perfectly well, you can check the description of this video. There's a video that I made for that. So this is how I'm going to place it to take it to the sewing machine to sew. Alright, remember you're going to be leaving a gap for the hand. Now I have finished sewing it, and this is how it looks. Okay, it almost looks like a bag. Anyway, so you're going to see how you're going to turn this into looking like what you saw in the beginning. So this is what I'm going to be doing. First of all, I'm going to be doing the band part. Remember, this is the material that we cut out, 11 inches by 28. So now I'm turning it inside out, or is it outside in, and I'm going to be putting my foam inside. Remember, the foam was 3.5 by 28 inches. So what you do is you put it inside first, and then you're going to seal it up by sewing the edge. Okay, now that's done. So what I do is I'm going to be placing this stone trimming. I'm making use of just 2 layers of it, as you can see, and it's the same measurement. I have it SS, but it's 28, but you cut out the SS once you're done. So now I'm placing it like so, trying to make sure that I have a little gap in front that is bigger than the other part at the back. So once I get my placement, I'm going to be starting from the middle. Now I'm going to make use of my B6000 to glue it. Now if you're wondering why B6000, why not Uhu gum, it will be best you do check out the description of this video. You would see the best glues to use for various situations. Although there I have an updated reason right now, and that's because I've noticed that really B6000 is the best that keeps it glued. Well, if you use Uhu gum, after a while it comes out. I don't know why, but B6000 actually sticks firmer. So keep watching and learning. Once that's done, the next thing you want to do is place the foam that you have covered with the raw silk, and also put your stones on top. We're going to be slanting it like so, and I'm going to be taking my needle and thread to sew it. I'm going to be doing it across both here and the other parts, so keep watching and learning. Now I would be dropping the links of all the items that we used in making this Mako fascinator in the description of this video. So if you can't get it in your local store, you would have Amazon links, AliExpress links. Also, YouTube has given us a choice to be tagging the items on the video. I would also search for that and see how I can tag to make it easy for you to get all the products if you cannot find it in your local store. Once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is turn it around, and I'm going to be first of all cutting out the excess that you can see around from the sewing. Then, because I didn't weave, there are two methods you can actually two methods, because this material is free. So two methods you can use to make it look smooth. Now the first one is to weave it. You can take it to the weaving machine and the weave all the way around, or you take your lighter and you burn the edges, which is the one that I made use of. Then the next thing you want to do is to do running stitches all the way around, and this is how you're going to sew it. And once you're done, that's how this gorgeous looking purple trendy turban comes out. If you did enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you would like not to miss such, please also go further to click the subscribe button and then the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And before you go, check out this other video on how to create another type of turban design.